Now we are going to see question number 14 in exercise 9.3. See, look at the question children. A machine is set to deliver packets of a given weight. Okay, 10 samples of size 5. 10 samples of size 5 means what? 10 sample numbers that is given in the question, and each of size 5. That means what I will tell you now. Each were recorded. Below are given relevant data. Relevant data is given. See the data. This is question number 14. Sample number. In this tablet column, under the tablet column, you are having that calculate the control limits for mean chart and range chart. See, you are going to do calculation for control chart, mean chart and range chart, and then comment on the state of control. You are going to give the comments also. So first you are going to calculate, and you are going to plot it in the graph, and based on the graph only you are going to give the comments on the given data. Okay. Conversion factors for n equal to 5, a2 equal to 0.5, d3 equal to 0, d4 equal to 2.115. Okay. What is that n equal to 5 means? That is, here you are having sample number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. But here n equal to 5. What is the difference between that n equal to 5 and the sample numbers? See, let me give you the simple explanation. For 5 samples, first let us take that sample number 1. Sample number 1 la 5 sample எடுத்து அதோட average, that is x bar. அதோட range, what is range? Maximum value minus minimum value. Okay va? So first you take any 5 values. Okay, find its average, find x bar, and find the range, maximum value minus minimum value, that is range. For this data only we are giving the sample number as 1. Okay, and next we are taking second sample, another set of 5 data we are taking, For that you should find x bar. What is x bar? Sum of all the 5 values divided by 5. Okay, and find the range of this again. Again in the 5 order range, na, this maximum value minus minimum value. Okay, see, you are going to get to this type of question also, children. Here, avangale vandu calculate panni x bar and r given data tablet column la irukku. Sometimes you will be given all these 5 data and you are asked to find x bar and r. புரியுதா? சில இந்த 5 data இருக்கும். இதுக்கு நீ x bar range கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு இத போல டேபிள் கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறம் கண்ட்ரோல் சார்ட் பார்க்கணும். Okay, see, directly you will get a question like this, or you may get a question like this also. In this situation, you should prepare x bar and r. Clear, children? Let us move the problem now. Then whenever you get the question like this, you find the total of that particular column and give the heading as total. Okay? Find the total of x bar row and find the total of range row. Okay, it's enough now. Immediately after this, what is your work? Finding x double bar. What is x double bar? Summation of x bar by n. எத்தனை நம்பரோட total இது? 10 numbers of the total. அப்ப இது n க்கு பதிலா என்ன எழுதணும்? 10 தான் எழுதணும். You should not take that n equal to 5 which is given under the table. Table கீழே கொடுத்துட்ட n equal to 5 எடுக்கக்கூடாது. Sample size 5 இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது n கிடையாது. Number of samples இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதுதான் n. ஓகேவா? நம்ம ப்ராப்ளம்ல இந்த இடத்துல n ஆகுது. Clear, children? See, try to understand the concept. ஏதோ ஒரு 5 சாம்பிளோட ஆவரேஜ் இது, ஏதோ ஒரு 5 சாம்பிளோட ரேஞ்ச் இது. பட் இங்க x double bar என்பது sum of 10 observations divided by 10. ஓகேவா? Summation of observations divided by number of observations. Okay, summation of observation is x bar and number of observations is 10. Summation here is 162 and the answer is 16.2. And similarly, we are going to find the range bar also. What is range bar? Range bar is nothing but summation of range divided by n again. எத்தனை value total பண்றீங்க? 10 values. Total is 74. Dividing by 10, the answer is 7.4. Immediately after this, we are going to write mean chart. And here range chart. First, we are going to prepare calculation. I mean, we are going to put calculation for this. After that only, we are going to prepare the graph. Okay. First, let us move our upper control limit. What is upper control limit? X double bar plus a2 into r bar. This is mean chart. In this, we will be using x double bar. Okay. And now we are going to start the calculation. X double bar value is 16.2 plus a2 value which is given in the question is 0.58 into R bar what we received is 7.4. Using calculation we can work out and get the answer children 16.2 plus 1 and the answer is 1. Okay. So children, for lower control limit the formula is x double bar minus a to the bar. This is plus and this is minus, that's all. That is the only difference. X double bar value we know that 16.2 minus a2 is 0.58 into R bar value is 7.4. Again you use calculation to get the answer minus 4.292. Subtracting and getting, doing this calculation we are getting 11.908 approximately equivalent to 11.91. Third number is 8, so add 1 here. Now we are going to move for range chart. In this range chart also we need an upper control limit. Upper control limit is D4 into R bar. Product of D4 value. What is D4? It is given in the question 2.115. R bar is 7.4. If you multiply, you will get the answer for MCL. And central line immediately. Central line for range chart is R bar. Central line for range chart is R bar. Central line of main chart is X double bar. Okay, this is 7.4. And lower control limit is next step. Let us find the answer by multiplying this with D3 into R bar. If it is upper control limit, D4 into R bar. If it is lower control limit, D3 into R bar. That's all. D3 value is always 0, which is also given in the question. D3 is 0 and R bar is 7.4. Hence the answer is 0. Okay. These are the initial calculations. If you are asked a calculation only, you can start with this. But if you are asked to give the comment, definitely you should go for what the graph. Okay, let us move the graph now. So you want this answer for this upper control limit under the heading N chart or X bar chart, and draw the graph like this. Under this, I mean x-axis is what sample number, and assign here this is X bar. Okay, we are giving the graph for X bar chart. Here we are going to assign the numbers to the y-axis. Now we are going to assign. Our data is, our data வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 15, 17, 15, 18, 14 அந்த மாதிரி plot பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு. So all values starts from 14, I think 14 onwards you are having in the y-axis. At the same time you should think for the lower control limit, central line and upper control limit. Those numbers also you should keep in the y-axis, then only you can plot that line. Okay, first initial work is plotting the lines, upper control limit, central line, lower control limit. How you are going to do? See, your upper control limit is up to 20.4, but the data on the question is 18 value. Okay, so you should give up to 20. And the lower control limit value here is 11 point. But number of the question the data starts from 14. So since you are having from 11, I am going to start from 10 in y-axis. After sudden off you are starting from 10, let me give one break here. That was break 6. Okay. Now I am going to start from 10, 12, 14, 15, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Okay. You can give the values like this in y-axis. Okay. Now let us plot it. First upper control limit. What is upper control limit value? 20.49. 20.49 is nothing but 20.5. 20.5 you will get above that 20. Just approximate up above 20. You draw one line and name it as upper control limit, that is equal to 20.49. Must write like this. Immediately after this you should draw the central line. What is the central line, children? 16.2. 16.2 is also above 16. Just you draw a line. Use scale for this. Central line is equal to 16.2. And finally we are going to give the lower control limit, that is 11.9. 11.9 is nothing but 12. So nearer to 12 you can draw a line. Not through 12, nearer to 12. You draw one line, which is called lower control limit 11.91. Okay, that's all. Now we are going to plot as per our question. For sample number 1, x bar is 15. For sample number 1, sorry, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 samples we are having. So for sample number 1, we want 15. We want 15, which is nothing but the between 16 and 14. Okay, for sample number 1, like this, you should write it as 15. Plot, put one circle, write the number 15. Okay, next is 217. And in sample number 2, you are going to mark 17. 17 is the middle line of between 16 and 18. Put one pointer, put one circle and write it as 17. Next is sample number 3 is 15. Sample number 3 again 15. So this is again 15. Okay. Next is sample number 4 18. Sample number 4 18. Sample number 5 17. Sample number 6 14. Exactly. Sample 7 18. Sample 8 15. Okay. Sample 9 17 16. 9 17. 10 16. 16 11. Yes, 15 is just below that. Okay, now you are going to join this together. Using scale you can join. If you are doing this in plane shape, use scale to put the numbers. 1 centimeter once a dot register number. Adhe mari one y axis also put 1 centimeter once dot and put the number. Appadi pannina graph nalla clear ah varum. There will not be any confusion. Okay, this is a plot integral. Now you should observe that diagram. If there is any point which lies outside the control limits, check on. In the limit point, in the limit above upper control limit and below lower control limit, is there any point lying? Check on. If not, you can give that all the points lie inside the control limits, hence the process is in control. Otherwise, all the points lies inside the control limit, the process is in control. Okay, and similarly, you are going to draw the diagram for range chart also. Let us move now. Going to move for range chart in the beginning. Range chart. Okay. Now, as usual, you draw the graph and use scale to put points. Then write the number, sample numbers are contained. Sample number here. In y-axis, you should write range. How we are going to write the numbers here? Origin. Okay. See, look at your upper control limit. This is up to 15. Okay. But your question lower control limit 0. So definitely you are going to start from 0 up to 15. Okay. 15.6 something up to 16, 17 also you can do. And at the same time, you should check your table column up to which number you are having, up to 12 only. So no problem. You can give up to 16. நீ உன்னோட டேபிளில் இருக்கிறதையும் பிளாட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி கொடுக்கணும். இங்கே நீ கால்குலேட் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கிறதையும் லைனை வரைகிறதுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி நம்பர் கொடுக்கணும் கிராஃபில். அவ்வளோதான். ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் அது வந்து செட் ஆகுதா நீ வரைகிற கிராஃப்ன்றதை செக் பண்ணிக்கணும். பிளாட்டிங்கும் பண்ண முடியணும், அந்த லைனும் வரைய முடியும். அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு கிராஃப் தான் நீ க்ரியேட் பண்ணணும். கிளியர்? நவ் ஸோ 0வில் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி 16 வரைக்கும் பண்ணணும்னா யூ கேன் கிவ் 2 ஸ்கேல். ஸோ ஓகே, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 up to you can give, because you are having 16, 15.6, so 15.7. okay, so you can give up to 16, no problem. Let us first draw upper control limit, lower control limit and central line. Upper control limit is 15.65, round up panna 15.7, so that is closer to 16. Upper control limit is equal to 15.651. okay, and the central line is 7.4. 7.4 na between 6 and 8 middle line or above that middle line. Central line is 7.4. okay, then lower control limit, we know that this is x-axis 0, extend panni, this is lower control limit, that is equal to 0. That's all. The x-axis line and lower control limit we already combined. Now we are going to plot the points by seeing the question. Okay children, this is plotting. Now we are going to continue the problem by checking, by joining these points. See first sample number 1, sample number 2, sample 3, sample 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 7 is here. 7, 8, 9, 10. Check whether you are joining correctly. You got to say every join money because we not written okay, number after 7 should join 8, then come to 9 and 1. Okay, when you are joining the points, be careful. At the same time, the number should be visible. Because of joining these points, there should not be any disturbance in writing this number. Clear? Okay, now we are going to give the comment like this. Since all the points lie inside the control limits in both main chart and train chart. Okay, and two chart control I mean inside the control limit. Upper control limit, lower control limit. The okay, so both the chart should satisfy this condition. Then only you can give a conclusion that the process is in control. Since all the points lie inside the control limits in both main chart and main chart, hence the process is in control. Since it is like this, the process is in control. This is very important point to be known. Okay, clear everybody? You just observe the question, then write in the class.